Hey everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy, and I wanted to show you this custom tool roll that we made. This is for Wrangler Her. I'll put her Instagram link in there. But yeah, she wanted these to match her Jeep, and show you kind of. Now these we made Velcro, so these pockets just Velcro on and off. So all of these do. So some models we have sewn on, and others we have Velcro. You can see the name tags, they're all there. They can be switched and made to say actually anything you want. These are just kind of some examples of what we've got there. And then when it rolls up, it's just nice and compact like that. So again, we got the standard colors, and then if you want a custom color to match your vehicle like she did here, we can do that. So another American-made product by OverlandGearGuy.com.